2019 Lok Sabha elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party in Karnataka achieved a remarkable feat, winning 25 out of the 28 seats. A historic performance given that this was the highest ever tally that it has won in any South Indian state. Now, can BJP repeat their stellar performance? Replicating their success in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections will be difficult, given the recent political dynamics that have changed in the state of Karnataka. The Congress and the JDS managed to win only one seat each in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, and an independent candidate won one. But the BJP faced an embarrassing defeat in the 2023 Assembly polls, where the Congress swept the state with a comfortable majority. The BJP now also has to deal with the Prajwal Revanna factor. The alleged sex videos of Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna went viral on social media, putting the Deve Gowda family on the back foot. The development also proved to be an embarrassment for the BJP, which went on a defensive mode. The suspended JDS leader Prajwal Revanna has now also been arrested by the SIT and probing the alleged sex tapes cases against him. Prajwal Revanna was arrested by a team of 5-member female cops soon after he landed at the Kempe Gowda International Airport in Bengaluru. Now, will the Congress gain from this conundrum? Before we see what the exit poll tells us, let's discuss a few key seats in the state of Karnataka. Shimoga has been thrust into the limelight with the entry of BJP rebel candidate KS Ishwarappa, turning what was a direct contest between the children of former chief ministers into a three-way race. In Dharwad, Union Minister Prahlad Joshi seeks his 5th consecutive victory. Challenging him is young Congress leader Vinoda Suti. Kalaburgi, Mysuru, Bengaluru Rural, Hassan are some of the other key constituencies. Now, the India Today Access My India exit poll survey for Karnataka predicts that the BJP will win 20 to 22 seats. Now, the BJP had managed to win 25 seats in the previous Lok Sabha elections, and this will be a drop of about 3 seats as per India Today Access My India survey. The JDS is expected to win 3 seats. Now, this is interesting because the JDS is only contesting in 3 seats. So, they will have a 100% winning streak. They will win the seats of Hassan, Kolar and Mandya. Now, in Hassan, we know that scandalous predator MP Prajwal Revanna is contested from. It will be interesting to see what happens if he comes to power. From Mandya, we have H.D. Kumaraswamy, the former chief minister. From Kolar, we have Malesh Babu. So the NDA in total is expected to win 23 to 25 seats. Now let's take a look at the India Alliance. Here, Congress. Now the Congress is expected to win 3 to 5 seats as per India Today Access My India poll. This is interesting because the Congress managed to win only 1 seat in the previous elections. That was Bengaluru Rural, which was represented by D.K. Suresh, the brother of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar. So interestingly, Congress is expected to gain 2 to 3 seats in Karnataka. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.